Shopping is like a therapy. It makes you feel rewarded after such a hard working day. But many times it happens that we just bought a wrong product and after just one wash they get shrink or fades color. So here I am showing you 15 tips which will help you detect the poor quality items on the spot. This is the least thing people consider while purchasing the fabric. If you find these kind of pattern matchups, then probably the manufacturer has saved money and used some low quality materials to make these kind of fabrics, so look for something else. When you are buying some jacket or coats, you must pay extra attention to the center back seam. Because of that, your back will not look flat, and many times manufacturers know that people generally don't look out the back side and they just save their fabric and don't give a center back seam. If on the folds or on some part of the material got lighter or darker in color, then the possibility is it's a low quality material and the color of that product may get fade after a few washes. So you must avoid that type of fabrics. Good blouses and shirts must have a small yoke in the back because they look clean from the top and also very comfortable to wear. But cheap companies don't provide these type of yokes and just give a flat back, so you don't have any idea what you are wearing and how bad it's looking from the back. When you are buying some shirts or jackets, you must watch the buttonholes and the spare buttons the company is giving for you. If you are getting a spare buttons, then the company is expecting you to wear this product for a long time, and this is a branded product. And also you don't have to look out for the extra buttons in the market. Another thing is you must see the buttonholes if it's interlocked correctly and the threads are not coming up, and you can physically try to tuck the buttons, and if you are getting difficulty, then it's a good product and you should go for it. Make sure the seams and threads are matching. You can recognize the thread patterns and the thread color, and if it's not matching, then maybe the product has made in a hurry and here the quality of the product has been compromised. The quality and durability of the material is also very necessary. So while you can purchase 100% cotton products, but after washing they get shrink very easily. So you must try to find something which is a blend of cotton and polyester or synthetic material or nylon one, so that you can wear them over and over again. In some cheap products, manufacturers try to save money and use less fabric to make the sleeves or the length or in the neckline or shoulder. So you must go and try that product whatever you are buying. Of course that will take a little bit time, but it will save your efforts to come back and refund that product. So you can easily solve this problem by always trying the product whatever you are buying. Zippers on the dresses, skirts and frocks, make sure they are equal in length, even, and also matches the color. A good quality product will always remain in shape. You can find any stretchy part of your shirt or a dress and try to tug out and let it go. If it remains its shape, so you can go for it, and if it loses its shape, then you just find something else. Always look for a good hem. Pants or trousers will have a hemming of around 2 inches broader, and the shirts or blouses will have around 1 inches. And if there is no hem at all or simply given interlock stitch, then I do not recommend to buy these type of products, because after a few washes the threads will come out and it will lose its shape. A good hem will look like a piece of cloth folded 2 times and then given a straight stitch. So I recommend to buy these type of products or dresses. When you are buying some jackets or any accessories, always try to find the metal zippers and with straps, because they are more reliable and durable. And you must avoid the plastic zippers or open zippers, because they are cheap in quality and not a reliable one. Always they'll get breakdown. Quality products will always have a dense stitches and a thick seam, so you can just try to pull out these stitches part, and you can see if there is a gap in between, then you must try to avoid those products because they'll not last longer. As you know, the thicker the material is, the higher is the quality. So just to put your fabric in the light and see if it's not transparent, then you must go for that product. And this will not apply to the jeans, it will apply to the silk kind of fabrics. While purchasing the cotton fabric, just do this simple and illustrative tip. Hold some fabric in your hands and squeeze it as much as you can. Now just see if it's looking like a crumbled tissue paper, then don't buy it, because they may have put some special agents to keep it in shape, and after one wash only you will get it like a rug, and you don't want to wear a rug, right?